Hi, Ellen Panthers. It's Mrs. Hartman here. I'm so excited to teach you your phonics lesson for today. All right. First thing we're going to do is some phonemic awareness. All right. I'm going to say the word and you do it with me, okay? Our first word is drip. Now say drip, but don't say Dip. Perfect. Say prep. Now say prep, but don't say Pep. Perfect. Say blown. Now say blown, but don't say Bone. Great. Say froze. Now say froze, but don't say Foes. Awesome. Say dream. Now say dream, but don't say Deem. Great, guys. Say scream. Now say scream, but don't say Scheme. How many of you got scheme? Way to go. Okay, say claws. Now say claws, but don't say Cause. Good job. Say stack. Now say stack, but don't say Sack. Perfect. Say blotch. Now say blotch, but don't say Botch. Perfect, guys. Last one. Say script. Now say script, but don't say Skipped. Great, guys. You did an awesome job. All right. Now we're just going to go over some letter sounds that we've been learning, okay? Do them with me. Are you ready? Okay. O, oi, e, dwa, z, I, a, v, e, ly, e, r, a, oi, p, ah, ni, o, or, t, ow, o, I, b, d, fee, key. Perfect, guys. Way to go. All right, now what we are going to do now is we are going to look at red words. We're going to review what we've learned before and review this week's words. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Read them with me. Were, said, sure, great, much, no, such, always, whose, would, because, thought, one, knew, could, also, should, through, against, move, other, enough, laugh, though. All right, now we're going to practice spelling the last three words, enough, laugh, and though. Are you ready? Get your red crayon. Okay, let's spell the word enough. Are you ready? E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Let's look. Good job. Let's do it again. You ready? Enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. All right, write it one more time. Are you ready? E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Okay, let's practice this word, laugh. Okay, can you write the word laugh? You ready? L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Let's check. Perfect. Let's write it again. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. One more time. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Let's look at our last word. Ready? Though. Think we can spell it without looking? You ready? Let's do it together. T-H-O-U-G-H. Though. Let's see. Perfect. Though. Let's write it again. T-H-O-U-G-H. Though. Write it one more time. T-H-O-U-G-H. Though. Good job. All right, now I'm going to give you a sentence. Are you ready to listen to the sentence? Okay, here we go. Did you laugh enough at the show? Okay, let's pound it together. You ready? Did you laugh enough at the show? Let's count the sentences, the words. Did you laugh enough at the show? 7 words. Okay, here we go. Did you laugh enough at the show? All right, guys, be sure to insert image, take a picture of it, and then turn it in. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.